she was a good person. She no,
Boy or girl, ya Mickey? Or twins? Choo! Hey!
no. Not in that way, okay? Not in that way. She was a good friend because you left me with a friend, right?
Tomorrow, if you didn't be in the gym with play boxing, I will come to box you in the hotel.
Come to the hotel, please.
No, I will not come to the hotel. You will come to the gym.
come to the hotel, my love. You come to the hotel. No. Listen, there is no problem. You should come to the hotel. Okay? Now listen, my love, okay? Listen to this. Listen. Can you repeat after me? Okay? These are Luganda words. Inze.
But
No. Yeah, they are good words. Don't worry.
Okay.
Inze. Inze.
Ize.
Hala. Nasalawo.
My heart is saying something.
No, listen, I can never let you say bad stuff, right? Yo, Big Jude. Kongs on your new ride, brother. Chinto family. Hala, listen.
Yeah.
Ize. Hala.
Namasalo.
Nendeta. Miki. No. I swear they are not bad words. Okay. Nasalawo. Nendeta. Omusajja. Dubai. Chali wange.
Gange.
Namusapata.
Haram you when you are. Haram you when you are. You are haram, huh?
My love, I was talking to your friend and I told her, you're the most beautiful woman in the whole world.
This is Mickey. I will tell you one thing. Wait. Mickey, you know one thing, Baba? If you find a lady dog, you will say the same.
No.
Believe me, this is common with you. This is compliment. It will be the same here, Mickey. Come.
Yes, my love.
Yeah, come. This is compliment. This is your, like salamu alaikum. This is like salamu alaikum. Starting, salamu alaikum. You are beautiful. You are the best woman in the life. You are, amazing. No one like you. You are mia. Everything. It will come out,
Okay, Hala, let me tell you something. Okay, let us act big, okay?
Yalla, okay.
Your friend, I'm telling you now the truth.
Yalla, okay.
Your friend, after me booking the hotel, she told me, are you hungry? And I told her, no, I hate. And she was like, let us go. And I buy you some stuff to eat, like tomorrow, before Hala comes. Listen.
I make you to eat. Right?
Listen, yes, I ate food, yeah? Okay? I ate food, but...
Okay. Now I know. You are coming from Uganda to eat.
No.
And you're telling me, and once you're telling me, you are that fat. You didn't eat full day. You are waiting me to give you food.
Yoli, Goya Sasura. No, listen. Your friend took me and bought me food that night. In the night when you were sleeping. Yeah? She bought me food. Then the following day she came back here. Listen. The following day The following day, she came back here and asked me.
Wait, in the night, what? When you are sleeping?
You were sleeping already.
Me?
Yes.
Who said that?
Did you contact me at night when your father was over calling you? Hey, Hala, 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 Hala.
You was off.
You left.
Your mobile was off. I did. Your mobile was off. I message. I can choose the people now with the message. Your mobile was off.
Okay. No problem.
It's not okay. Don't say after you are telling me all this. Don't say okay. Say yes, is right, it's true.
No problem. I've accepted. But listen, I'm new in Dubai, so my phone had to be off. You see? Now it is showing do. What is do? This is an Airtel number. Of course, even if you call me, my phone won't go through. You get?
You have internet, right?
I only have internet when I'm back at the hotel. I always tell you that.
Where you was with her?
Huh?
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 What did you say? No, I'm asking. What did you say?
Where you was with her?
So today she took me to Dubai Mall, and we went
Did
to.
you make a friend with her, and now how she comes to you if you don't have her number?
My love, I was missing you. So she saw me and I was depressed. She said, you look depressed. Let me take you to Dubai Mall and I do some shopping for you. Even the stuff she bought me is here. I can give it to you. I don't want.
Skip all this. I need my gift. Where is my gift? Because I'm feeling she took all the things.
Yeah, I gave them to her. But listen, wait. No. Wait, let me explain. Can I explain?
Really, you gave her my stuff?
No. Listen. I gave her your stuff. Listen.
Tell her now. I wish she opens the phone.
Navigabye. Kana kata ndemwe sente. Nenga wachigomesi. Techikatuuka naye nga kasanyufu onooza abadde assaamu oyo kyanjo kye njo kye muganda wange wano nfunawo ki njo kyoba njo kya njo ki Caller, please. But don't. I didn't say anything. Please call her and ask her, Mickey.
Please check the number and try again. Thank you. الرقم الذي طلبته غير مستخدم حاليا. يرجى التأكد من الرقم وإعادة الاتصال. شكرا.
Oh, my Mukama Yesu. My wife. Her number, my friend's number is off. Really? I'm sorry. No, this is what we're going to do. My love, listen. This is what we're going to do, okay? Are you listening?
Nikki, you gave her my stuff?
No, listen. I was explaining and you called her. So listen, this is what I told her. I told her I'm having Hala's stuff. I believe the father has denied her like to move out because I'm around. You see? So I gave her all your stuff. And I asked her, you should take this stuff to Hala. She was happy and she told me she's going to bring it to you today. And it is still, the day is still young, my love. You see, the day is young.
Is her car?